Have you ever wondered how to mount filters on your Sony RX100? Well, there is a way to do it, and you don't need to be afraid of being deprived of possibility to use filters with your lovely camera. For this demonstration, we will use a 52mm Polaroid CPL filter to be attached to your Sony RX100 III, but this method is applicable also to other RX100 models. So what is it that we will need to fit this CPL filter? Well, we need to use an adapter, and I'm using a third-party one. It's a Kiwifotos LA-52 RX100, and as you can tell, it's not Sony original, but it works and it's quite cheap. You can find it for less than $15 on the internet. The adapter ring allows you to mount filters such as CPL filter, ND filter, graduated filter, etc. So let's get to it. The adapter ring is made of black aluminum. It is mounted on camera with an adhesive tape. Okay, let's see if it fits before we glue it on. Zoom in and zoom out, and yes, it seems that the size is accurate. You take it and glue it on the camera, and then you're able to fit 52mm filter. Great! Now you are ready to use your 52mm filter. Once you don't need the filter on the camera, you just screw it out and the adapter ring stays on the camera. Yes, eventually your camera will become about 5mm thicker, but hey, you can now get more creative with all of those useful filters. Hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.